How to use Nerdwallet. In this video, I will explain each and everything briefly that how you can use Nerdwallet, and I will give you a complete tutorial. So first of all, just go to this website which is called Nerdwallet, and once you arrive here, you have to log in. So you can use your Google account, and once you're here, basically the dashboard will be look like this. So here, the first interface you will see, which will be welcome, your name, and here quick start guide. So you have to link your first account. You can link with Plate, or you can just go back and link with TransUnion, right? So it's very easy to link. If I just click on link, then I have to just give my personal information, and once I click on continue, I have to give my SSN code and my debit card number, and then I will able to link it. Once I go a little bit below, then here you can see that your key number, that is April cash flow. You have to basically this is complete for personal finance. So of course you have to link your wherever your source of income, your debit card, your credit card, right? And here if you link your credit card, then you will able to see your credit card score here, and here it will show you your financial health score by regarding that whatever the information you give to Nerdwallet. And if I just click on my taxes, and I have to click on get started. So once I click on get started, it will live for a few seconds, so you have to just wait. And here you can see that easy tax filing that gets you everything you are owed, right? So basically it's become very easy to pay your taxes from directly to Nerdwallet because it is powered by column tax, right? So first of all, you have to just link to it, and of course it will charge you $50 for federal and state, and this is the only charge. There's no other hidden charge for, right? So here you can see pay only when you file. So at the end of the year, or in 3 months or 6 months, you can do this. And of course you have to enter your full name here, so I'll just give my full name. I'll just click on continue, and once I click on continue, of course this is automated messages, so I'll just click on continue. Of course I have to give my number and everything. Right now I don't have my SSN, so I will just click on no, and I will just give my date of birth. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so here it is, and I'll just click on continue. And here you have to select your state. So now I'll just click on continue. Just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that we will need to take you to column tax classic. So I'll just click on continue, and it will again just load for a few seconds. So basically I hope that you understood each and everything, and see you guys.